CTS Rapid Set produces a high-quality cement that gives us the properties that we're looking for: durability, the rapid strength gain, and the quality of the CTS Rapid Set really come together to do an amazing job because of the fast setting ability of the CTS Rapid Set cement.
Good morning and welcome back. We're CTS Cement, developer of high early strength rapid set cement and component shrinkage compensating cement. If waiting on your concrete has ever blown up your schedule, you're going to want to stick around. In just a few moments, we're going to demonstrate some of our rapid set products. We'll show you how they're engineered to gain strength fast and get you off the job sooner. I'm Matt Samble, Vice President of Product Development. And first, a little background about CTS. We're proud that CTS is an employee-owned company, but it was originally founded by Mr. Ed Rice in the 1970s. He had a background in the pre-stressed concrete industry, and he was always looking to build a better mousetrap. Well, in the mid-1950s, he worked with Dr. Alexander Klein at the University of California at Berkeley, and Dr. Klein had recently discovered that he could make an expansive cement using calcium sulfoaluminate, which soon after became known as the Klein compound. Today we call it CSA. Well, over the next 2 decades, Mr. Rice worked with a team of engineers to make that cement rapid setting, and CTS began selling it under the name Rapid Set in 1979. Since then, CTS has become the largest US manufacturer of CSA cement. Rapid Set cement delivers speed, strength, and durability. These products are fast. We're gaining structural strength in many of these products in just 1 hour. They also have very low shrinkage, which means a reduced risk of cracking, and superior resistance to sulfate attack, as well as long life durability. So speaking of durability, back in 1998, Caltrans installed 2 lane miles on the I-10 freeway in Los Angeles using Rapid Set cement concrete. Well, fast forward 25 years later, and we went out and we were able to sample that in-place concrete. And what we found is that concrete, after 25 years in the freeway, had a compressive strength of over 11,000 PSI and a calculated flexural strength of almost 3 times what it was at opening back in '98. So that concrete will be in service, I think, for the next 25 years. Also, the global warming potential of Rapid Set cement is about 30% lower than Portland cement and about 20% lower than Portland limestone cement. And that's because the chemistry of our cement is different, and we can burn or manufacture it at a lower temperature, which uses less fuel. Now, these numbers are documented in our Environmental Product Declaration, or EPD, which is a third-party certified accounting of manufacturing impacts. What this means is that CTS has actually saved the Earth over 1.7 billion pounds of carbon emissions over the life of the company. But we're not done there. CTS is continuing to grow. We recently opened a brand new blending and packaging facility in Georgia. This is 150,000 square feet of warehouse space on a 146-acre lot. And this thing is state-of-the-art. We built it from the ground up. We're talking, we got 6, multi-axis bag placing robots. We've got automatic bag weight checks, automatic palletizing, stacking, and wrapping, the whole deal. But it's not just shiny new toys. We've created dozens of new American jobs, and we're efficiently getting more product out to our customers than ever before. We're also doing this now at the highest quality standards. So that's who we are, but none of it really matters unless it makes a difference on the job site. So let's get to the fun part. We're going to mix up some of these products and demonstrate them right here on the stage. So in this demonstration, we'll show you how to mix and apply the Rapid Set concrete mix, the DOT concrete mix, and the asphalt repair mix. So the Rapid Set concrete mix is our multi-purpose concrete repair material. It's engineered to set in just 15 minutes and gain structural strength in just 1 hour. The DOT concrete mix is a fiber-reinforced and polymer-modified concrete that's engineered to set in just 2 hours, so we can get traffic on it very quickly in 2 hours. And the asphalt resurfacer and asphalt repair mix are not based on asphalt. They're Rapid Set cement-based asphalt repair. So we've got the asphalt resurfacer over here, and we'll be placing the asphalt repair mix over here in just a moment. And those are designed to be driven on in just 2 hours. So I know they've already started mixing the product. While they're doing that, I'll remind you that all of these products are based on Rapid Set cement. It's a standalone CSA cement, which means it doesn't have to be blended with Portland cement or gypsum or anything else to get high early and long-term strength. It also has very low shrinkage, which means a reduced risk of cracking and long life durability. So come on up, get a little bit closer. Make sure you can see the demos right here on stage. And if there's anything you can't see, just keep your eyes on these screens, and we're going to get some great shots for you on the screens overhead. So Rafa is now pouring, this is the Rapid Set concrete mix. It contains a 3/8 inch aggregate, so it's ideal for applications from 2 inches all the way up to 24 inches thick. So it could be installed over compacted soil or existing concrete that's clean, sound, roughened concrete, free of any materials that might inhibit bond. And with proper surface prep, no bonding agent is needed, so that will save time and material costs. So as you can see, it's installed just like any other concrete with traditional means and methods. The only difference is that it's super fast. We've got 10 minutes of working time with this product, so we want to make sure all of our personnel and equipment are ready to go before we even start mixing. We've had people lose some of their equipment because they're not ready for the speed of our Rapid Set cement and their concrete mix. We tell them, hey, it's in the name. So the concrete mix is, like I said, it's installed with traditional means and methods. We got about 10 minutes of working time. Then we can put our final finish on it with a trowel or a float or even a broom finish. And once it starts to harden, we recommend a water cure. So we can put a light mist water cure on the surface, and what that does is it really helps the concrete to properly hydrate, to get enough water to get full hydration. And this will achieve 3,000 PSI in just 1 hour, and will exceed 6,000 PSI in 28 days. Now, because it's based on Rapid Set cement, it has a very low shrinkage, which means it has a reduced risk of cracking compared to Portland cement concrete. So this is ideal for all kinds of applications, from setting posts to large structural repair, residential, industrial, and commercial properties. So the next product they're working on right now is the DOT concrete mix. This is a polymer modified and fiber reinforced concrete. That's great for any kind of, it's really ideal for infrastructure applications. That could be highways, pavements, parking structures, bridge decks, that kind of application. The DOT concrete mix is very similar in that it's got the 3/8 inch aggregate. So the substrate is exactly the same, preparation is exactly the same. It can handle applications from 2 inches up to 24 inches thick. And I believe it's coming out in just a moment. So because the DOT concrete mix is polymer modified and fiber reinforced, it's ideal for infrastructure applications. The working time is just a little bit longer. We've got 15 to 20 minutes of working time with this product. But that's still not that much time, so we still want to make sure everybody is prepared to go before we start mixing the product. So again, this is the DOT concrete mix. We're using the exact same tools and methods, trowels, floats, as any other concrete. So it's very easy to install, as you can see. I mentioned the working time is 15 to 20 minutes. So it's not quite as fast as the Rapid Set concrete mix, but it's still pretty quick. And then again, once it's in place and hardened, we want to give it a water cure, which again will provide it with the right amount of water to properly hydrate and gain the full strength. And the compressive strength of this product is 3,000 PSI in 2 hours and will exceed 6,500 PSI in 28 days. So how many of us work in locations where the temperatures drop below freezing? One person. We got one person who actually works in cold environments. Well, you, sir, will be glad to know this is formulated for high freeze-thaw durability, and it also has an integral corrosion inhibitor. So we have independent testing by ASTM C1202 that measures chloride ion permeability. And what that test shows is that the chloride ions, it has a very low permeability, which means salts and water have a very difficult time of making it through this product to attack the embedded rebar. And that's because it contains integral corrosion inhibitor. So that's the DOT concrete mix. I'll tell you a little bit more about the asphalt resurfacer. That's this product right over here on the stage. The asphalt resurfacer is based on Rapidset cement. So it's not an asphalt product, it's a cement-based product. It's designed to be installed from an 1/8 inch up to 2 inches thick. And it contains fiber reinforcement and post-consumer recycled rubber, so it flexes very slightly, just like our existing asphalt. So we can see this section of the stage right here is only about 1/8 of an inch thick, and we finished it with a loop roller, so it looks just like asphalt. What we're demonstrating here is the asphalt repair mix, which also contains the 3/8 inch aggregate, so it's for deeper pothole repair. So it's similar to the other concrete products. We're going to install it with the traditional means and methods, but again, it's designed to look and act a lot more like asphalt. So if any of you are familiar with the cold patch type repair, you know the deal. You pour it into the hole, you got to tamp it and try to get it as flat as you can. And sometimes we leave it a little bit high, or maybe we can tamp it totally flat and it looks great for like a week, and then it starts to shrink and subside into the hole. And then when it rains, the water gets down below it and affects the subgrade. Traffic flexes the repair. Next thing you know, you're back replacing that same hole. With both the asphalt resurfacer and the asphalt repair mix, they're just mixed with water and installed like your traditional concrete or mortar in this case. They're designed to stay flat with very, very low shrinkage, which is based on the Rapidset cement. They look and act like asphalt, and they're designed to be durable for years to come. They also are both designed for high freeze-thaw durability for you that who works in cold environments. So a few projects. This is the Isabel Holmes drawbridge. This drawbridge, sits on bearing pads that are embedded in concrete that need to be repaired. But the DOT said that they had to open the road, so the work could only be done between 7 p.m. and 6 a.m. on weekdays, and it carried a late opening fine of $2,000 for every 15 minutes. Well, the contractors chose DOT concrete mix. They were able to raise the drawbridge, perform the repairs, gain structural strength on the repairs in just 2 hours, lower the drawbridge, and open it up to traffic the next morning. Over the entire project, not once did they pay that late opening fine. This was the I-10 emergency repair in Texas. An oversized big rig took out an overpass. Well, they needed to get strength fast to repair it. They had to repair 10 pillars and get strength on those pedestals before installing the crossbeams. TxDOT said you have 24 hours to get the crossbeams on. So they used Rapidset concrete mix, our very fast-setting concrete, to repair those pillars, and they were able to open that up because of the very fast strength of the Rapidset concrete mix. And the last project here is the Salem End Road Bridge. This bridge was originally built in 1870 and was in desperate need of repairs. So they chose the DOT concrete mix. And the challenge on this project is they had very high temperatures and very low temperatures on the same project. So when it was very hot, they used cold water, and they used our Rapidset set control to give it extra working time. And when it was very cold, they used hot water and heated blankets to warm the substrate. Well, they got all the repairs in, and that's expected to extend the life of that bridge for another 20 years. So now's your chance to come on up and get all of your questions answered by our technical experts all around our booth. And we've got more demonstrations throughout the day. The next one is at 11 a.m., so please stick around for that. But now it's time for the real fun part. Hey, I'm not done, Izzy. Take it easy.
I can't help it. Look at these people, man.
You've seen what they've done on the stage, but now's your chance to get them in your hands. I'm going to give it to Izzy. Izzy, take it away, my man.
Yeah, Yeah, everybody, welcome to Las Vegas. Here we go, World of Concrete 2026. Are y'all ready for some rapper set time? Are y'all ready for some rapper set time? Yeah! Hey, give Matt Samble a hand right there. My man was giving you that information, that much needed information, and then you got Luis. Give Luis a hand. Yeah, Luis, you made that real easy. You made it real. Is it really that easy to install this product? So if you guys were paying attention to Luis, then follow me right over here to my left. Come on, my left, your right, over here. Izzy's Playhouse is about to begin. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Hey, when you pour that in there, I want to finish it. If you're okay with it, I want to see what the work.
Buddy, I'm okay. What's your name?
Roy.
Roy? You're the guy I want to call up, Roy. Roy's my first contestant. He's brave. He said, I want to finish it. They're gonna mix it for you. You're gonna put it down. And we're gonna see what's the name of your company, Roy?
Lanford Brothers.
Lanford Brothers. Give it up for Lanford Brothers, everybody. Roy with Lanford Brothers. He is the first person that's gonna give this product a shot. What do we got here, Rafa? All right, we're gonna use the asphalt repair mix. So he's gonna go ahead and pour it for you. He'll pour it for you. You got your tools. There's your tools right there. You're missing one. There you go. Actually, he's missing another one. We'll get you a trial, Roy. Roy, how many years with Lanford Brothers?
25.
25 years. That means he's got to be a pro. So we're about to see how Lanford Brothers locks it down. Here we go. Show him how it's done, Roy. We even got the construction music playing for you right there. Uh-huh. How's that material feel, Roy?
Feels good.
All right. It feels good. It's like that song, feels good. Yeah, it feels good. What do you think, Roy? You like that finish? A little too much on the top, maybe? I mean, you can spill it right off, Roy. It's up to you, baby. There you go. All right. My man, there you go, Roy. Now it's looking good. And the thing about it is it don't got to look that pretty because it's just got to look like asphalt. You know what I'm saying? So it don't have to have a tight finish. There you go, Roy. Now it's looking nice and flizzat. Nice and flat. What do y'all think? Would you hire Lanford Brothers? Come on. Come on, yeah. Hey, high five it, baby. You got a buddy with you, Roy?
I got
Can't take the picture, Can't take the picture. Oh, they don't even want to take pictures of you. Oh, right over here. There you go. Come on, man. It's the hat. All right, Roy. Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming up, man. Loving it. All right, who's next? I say again?
That looks even better at 60.
Way better, my man. Roy with Lanford Brothers. Who we got over here? Jesus Alfredo. Come on up, brother. Come on over here. My next contestant. All right, Jesus, name of your company, please.
JNF Concrete Restorations.
And from where?
Calgary, Alberta.
Calgary, Alberta?
Canada.
Canada. Give it up for Jesus Alfredo. Okay, so Lanford Brothers, Roy, went ahead and put this down. You get to mess it up and then re-smooth it out again. Okay, Rafa's going to mess it up. All right, he's messing it up. He didn't do a good job, so you need to fix his work. He's not hired. Rafa's not hired. He didn't do a good job. Fix it up. Okay. You're on the interstate. You're filling a hole. A lot of asphalt. Oh, my gosh. Jesus, there's a car coming. In a couple of hours. That's right. They put the yellow cones. You're good, Luis. They put the cones out. There you go. Okay, you're gonna. All right, he's doing a smoothing technique. See, they didn't give that to the Lanford brothers. They didn't give that. There you go. All right. Remember, it's supposed to look like asphalt. And you could drive on this bad boy in what? 2 hours. In 2 hours, you'll drive a car, a Mack truck. You can land a plane on it in just 2 hours. Think about that. Rapid Set Cement. Hey, give it up for Jesus. Let's do a photo finish right here. Oh, yeah. Jesus right here. Come on. We got the right here. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Who else do we got? Hold on. What do we got over here? Right here, buddy. Come on. I've seen it. No. When you do this, that means you gotta come up. Come on, put that Quikrete down. Put that. We're gonna show you what Rapid Set's about. Come on. All right, tell me your name.
Luca.
Luca, give it up for Luca. Luca, where you from?
Croatia.
Croatia in his house. All right, he messed it up. Let's see how Croatia does it. All right, you're on the interstate. You've got cars trying to hurry up here. They're getting upset because the traffic is now piling up, and you're using Rapid Set Cement, filling the hole, doing the repair in Croatia. Croatia sweating, but you got Raphael, the Mickey in the corner. You listen to this music while you do the work? Yes. Okay. He said yes. We listen in Croatia, this type of music. All right, there you go. Clean it up. Do a nice little finish there. Nice little finish. You got big semi trucks going to jump on this, and they got a load of cement, Rapid Set Cement. There you go. Oh, we got a Picasso over here. Nice little Picasso. Oh. There you go. Still, look at that. You can see, still playing with the same mud that was mixed, so you got some working time here. You hear that name, Rapid Set, don't get scared. I mean, you got the working time right at the front end. You just ain't gonna have no more working time. In about an hour and a half, you ain't doing nothing. All right, clean him up. He's a messy worker. You can see he's got paint on his pants and everything, but the job's looking good. I see you have a little mountain scenery over here to the left-hand corner. Yeah, mountain scenery. So there, we know the roads in Croatia could be a little rocky. But that's okay. Okay, he fixed it up. Hey, my man, Luca from Croatia. Pictures. Luca, how do you do this in Croatia? Take it easy right here. All right, give it up for Luca, Croatia. We got one more. We could do one more right here. Esteban Sanchez. Come on over here, Esteban. I see you're from Texas. And the name of your company?
Texas Pro Stamping.
Texas Pro Stamping. Give it up. He's got Pro right in the beginning, so we need to see the Pro fix the mess up that Rafa did. They hired Rafa. He tried to fix this situation on the asphalt, freeway. You could see that he didn't do a good job. So let's fix his work. We got that good relaxing music for you right there. Esteban is going to work here using the Rapid Set asphalt repair. Okay. Nice little Mr. Miyagi move. I'm loving it. All right. He got a Miyagi move right here. You seen that? It wasn't paint the fence. No, that wasn't paint the fence. Esteban, what do you call that Miyagi move?
Asphalt on, asphalt off.
What?
Ass on, ass off.
Oh, I can't say that. This is a PG show here, Esteban. I think he said ass on, ass on. asphalt off. There you go. Hey, my man. Hey, would you drive your... I want to thank you guys for spending some time right here with me at the Izzy's Playhouse. And don't worry, we've got more shows for you coming up, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and then the last one today at 3 o'clock. So if you hear my voice and you didn't get an opportunity, come on over to the Rapid Set booth and hang out with me at Izzy's Playhouse right here. 2026 World of Concrete. There's so much to see here. You got Super Abrasive. You got all these other amazing companies to take a look at. But don't forget to come back at 11 where Matt Samble is about to drop some more knowledge. Rapid Set Cement, you know the name.